All right, in this problem, we're going to figure out what the mean is of this data set. So we have the values 2, 5, 7, 7, and 9. To find the mean, what we need to do is we need to add up all the values and then divide by the number of values, because the mean is the average. So we're going to do 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9. And we're going to divide by 5 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Okay, so 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. And 21 plus 9 is 30. So the mean is going to be 30 divided by 5, which is 6. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.